What's it cost to fill this thing? That is from a quarter tank. What are kidneys going for on the black market right now? You don't need them both to live, do you? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. Just finished filling Judy up here and wow, she's got a drinking problem. I wanted to take a minute to thank all you guys who were out at Grand Bend last weekend. If you guys didn't catch that video, I'll put a card for that right here. And I wanted to, in particular thank, Mel and Dave, Amber, Jesse, Frank, Randy, and of course Chuck. Thank you guys so much for your hospitality. We can't wait to come back and become more familiar with all the people in this community. So today we have a very special event. There's a lot of those lately, but this one in particular, we're going to go down and we're going to go help Randy finish assembling the top end of the motor, put it all together. I was going to show you guys, I did a special paint job on the valve covers. I was going to show you guys, but I think I'm going to let you wait just a little bit longer. So we're going to hit the road. Let's go right now. I'll show you those in a minute. Okay guys, I'm recording on the GoPro now, so I apologize for the handle noise and stuff and the sound. So the engine's here behind me. Randy's been working hard on this thing for the last couple weeks, so he sent me a bunch of pictures and a couple clips. I want to show you guys those right now. Piece starting to come together. So people might wonder, how do I know Randy? Well, Randy and I actually lived across the street from each other for 10 years, and Randy helped me put together the 355 for my old 73 Nova. Yeah, that was I really missed that car. So
then we went to car shows together.
Oh yeah, we'd go to a ton of the car shows. You know what, because there was so many car shows around here back then. Like you could go to a car show every day of the week. And I did. Her name was Maria. Here's a couple pictures of Maria.
It goes down this way. See the chamfer?
Yes.
Facing upwards?
Right. So that it goes locked down onto like the knock sensor?
Yeah.
Or the port for the knock sensor?
Yeah, for the knock sensor, yeah.
A little love tap. Yeah, she goes. Yeah, like a glove.
It's just like that.
all painted up. Doesn't that look pretty? Looks good. I mean, you know, for a cast OEM oil pan. Cool. Time to go pick up some paint for these. Okay guys, I went and picked up some paint. I hope you guys are going to like what I'm going to do with this. This is not like the block. Some of you know me, those of you who don't won't know, but I actually love to paint. I'm a bit of a pinstriper, an airbrusher, a sculptor, a carver, builder. I like to work with my hands. If you'd like to see some of the stuff that I've done, you can check it out, PDC_X_just_Inc. I know that's a long name. I'll put the name down here, and I'll put a link down below. If you're interested in seeing some of my art projects that I do, I have a second Instagram page. So I'm going to get started with this right now. Check out what it looks like. Alright, here is the valve covers. Now, like I said, the finish on these isn't ideal, but a lot of these are going to be covered up by the coils. So you're not going to see a lot of this, but I thought it would be fun to do this because you guys will know it's there, and it's really for you guys. So this is the base color. Those are the other two colors I'm going to use, along with some white and black. What do you guys think it's going to be? Well, I'm going to get started right now. I'm going to put the camera down, and you guys can follow along and see it take shape. Lift it up. Take a look.
No shit.
Weak there, so go ahead, take a look. That's unique.
Hey, that's different.
Yeah, that's the McCullough tartan. That's the last name. Dudgy McCullough is the name of the car. So. Okay guys, Randy and I are at a standstill now. Looks like we need some dowels for the heads and the rear main seal. So we're just going to mock it up right now so we can see what it looks like all put together.
Okay. So we'll lift the head like this here.
That's the other way, isn't it?
No, that's
Or is that?
what it goes.
Oh, okay.
Because your oil fill's not always on this side. You got your oil filled and everything already. Well, that actually looks like a charm. I like it. It's different.
Yeah, it's definitely different, eh?
It is.
I wanted to go. That's why I wanted to go nice and monochrome with the block, so that the valve covers would just be the.
That looks beautiful, actually.
Thanks, Randy.
I like that.
Dudgy McCullough.
There's our HowFast.
Boom! I don't know how long that's gonna last. that's the vinyl. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but we're gonna rep it anyway. guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode. I'm gonna help Randy clean up here, and we're gonna pack up, and I'm gonna head out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and check out some of our other videos on our website. You know, we have stuff on this LS build. We have stuff from local events like race days and car shows. We also do stuff for your kids, and also how-to videos on BMWs and Cadillacs and big GMC trucks. So stay tuned, guys. Catch up with you next time. Find out how fast we make these cars go.